Here I have WIKO Y60, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly, you will have to open settings, then you have to enter display section, then go to the advanced wallpaper, then you have to select if you want to set one of the preset wallpapers which you have like pre-installed on your device here. You can select one of these categories here. Here you can select one of the preset wallpapers. Here you can select from the some of categories here like landscapes, textures. This is the preset wallpapers too, I guess. Or you can just set up your own image from the gallery. It could be photo or any other image. Let's select this image. Here you can adjust it. Like this, and then just tap set wallpaper. Then you have to select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both screens. And after that, wallpaper will be set. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.